Brake pads will wear out in time and must be replaced from time to time. To replace brake pads, you only need a hex key and this video manual. First, remove the nipple of the Bowden cable from the brake to better access the brake pads. Use the hex key to loosen the brake pad screw and unscrew it completely. Make sure the individual washers and cups do not fall out while you're doing this. Fix the new brake pad using the same procedure in reverse. Always make sure the order of the brake washers and cups is correct. Align the brake pad with the rim of the wheel and tighten it properly. As you can see, there is nothing difficult about this. You only have to watch the order of the washers and cups while putting in the new brake pad. If you need to adjust the brakes as well, watch our next video manual.